Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is essay writing. What's an essay? An academic essay is generally a short piece of writing which outlines the writer's perspective or story. Format of an essay. In this section, you will learn that what are the parts of an essay and how can you write your essay. First of all, you have to provide introduction of your topic. After that, you will write the body of your essay and then you have to conclude your essay. Here I am giving you a topic on which you have to write your essay. And the topic of your essay is morning walk. As you know that while writing an essay, we have to provide or we have to add some quotes also. So, quotes or quotations that we will add in this essay morning walk are there. I have written here three quotations or quotes for your essay morning walk. You can use these quotes, or if you like, you can use your own. The first quote that you can write is: an early morning walk will keep you active for the whole day. Second one is: early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Number three is: early morning exercise will keep you active for the entire day. These are the quotations that you can use in your essay, and then you will write your essay. The word limit can be 100 to 150 words for this essay, and you can write your own routine of morning walk, or you can write benefits of walk, and you can also write that if you will not go for morning walk, what would happen. And in this way you can describe your own experience, or you can also use some other person's advice, and then you will conclude your essay.